Hi friends, now I am going to explain you how to install Postman in your system. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go to this particular URL www.postman.com /downloads. So in that we have three different options. Actually, we have to go by Windows 64-bit. So if you do like that, what will happen is we'll get an .exe file you'll get an .exe file like this. So by double clicking this one, we will get page, and from there we'll get a message stating that Postman has been successfully installed, and we will get an app like this. Okay, so this will be the first screen. So here above that you have the sign in button and create an new account. So if you already have an account, you can go by clicking on this. Else, if you're going by create a new account, that is also possible by creating a new account. Here also you have the option. So you have to give the mail ID here. So you can give the mail ID here, and afterwards if you want to give the password, then that also it is possible. If you click on this stay signed in for 30 days, then it means that you can log in without using the password and username for 30 next 30 days, because the cookies will store all these things. And forget password, if you forget the password, these all you will be able to know very easily. So if you want to create an account, you have to go for this option, give the mail ID, username, password, and if you want to have any updates about the Postman, you can click on this one, and you can give a create a free account. After that, when you get that particular account, what will happen is you will move into the sign in page. So by going into the sign in page, you will give the mail ID and password, and afterwards clicking on sign in will allow you to enter in. So here you have this download Postman. There also you have the sign in button and also sign up for free account. The same procedure you'll be following here also. If you click on the sign in, you will land up in this page, and this page is similar to what I explained sometime before. And this also is for sign up for free. Here also you have this options, and you can sign in like that. Okay, so if you do like this, you will be able to install into the Postman, and you will land up in this page. This Windows going on loading. So you will land up in the Postman page. There you will be able to find create request collection like that. So the options will be there. You follow my further videos so that you'll be able to know how to work on Postman. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share, click on the like button, share button, and if you can share it to your friends, and you can click on the subscribe button for the further videos. Thank you, friends. Bye.